Hi lovely people, this is Simona-Valentina and I'm sharing with you an original song that I wrote like a month ago. The song is called Two Birds and it is inspired by a sad event. I lost my beloved grandmother just a month ago, and yeah, I wrote this song for her. And it is about, obviously losing someone dear, but it can also apply to, losing a friend or a boyfriend or anyone, dear, either through death or maybe just separation. It happens to most of us, I believe, all of us at some point in life. And yeah, what the main idea of the song is that you have to be able to move on regardless of how hard it is, and find your other bird. That's why it's called Two Birds. So because it's best to be with someone, share your life with, and share the beauty of life with someone than be alone. Okay, I talk too much, so I'm gonna start. Hope you guys like it. Morning love, how was your dream last night? I couldn't wait to see your cheek in sunlight. Your smile brings my day alive. Good night love, another day has passed, another life, a story that was meant to last. It all went away too fast. The days don't stay the same. Sometimes seems in vain to build a home on an empty road. Down a river so unknown, we swim, we hit the stone, then we're gone. So long gone. Two birds to kill with just one stone, two hearts to beat on the same door, Lord. No one should wake up all alone. Two dice were all for a losing prize, two games, but only a champion left. Lord, to win alone's a tale. But life ain't just a game. It all seems in vain to win alone. You gotta share your throne. We're down a river so unknown, we swim, we hit the stone, and then we're gone into the unknown. Two birds were killed with just one stone, two hearts just to beat on the same door, Lord. No one should wake up all alone. Two dice were all for a losing prize, two games, but only a champion left. Lord, to win alone's a tale. And you said that life's a sweet passage, a walk on a shore breeze, arrivals goes by turns so orderly. Departures though so randomly. Two birds will kill with just one stone. Two hearts is to beat on the same tone, Lord. No one should wake up all alone. Ah, two dice were rolled for a losing prize. Two games, but only a champion left. Lord, to win alone's a death.